Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the Surface Pro model and available ports on the tablet. Look for a USB-C port, a mini display port, or only a Surface connector. If you see USB-C, it likely supports DisplayPort Alt mode for video output. Older models often include mini DisplayPort for external displays. Confirm your Surface supports 1080p 60Hz or 4K 60Hz output if you need higher resolution. Choose an adapter type that matches your detected port and display requirements. Pick an adapter that matches the Surface Pro port and your HDMI display input. Use a USB-C to HDMI adapter if the Surface has USB-C with DP Alt mode. For older Surfaces, select a mini display port to HDMI adapter. Ensure the adapter supports the display resolution you want, like 1080p 60Hz or 4K 60Hz. Choose a good quality cable, typically 1.8 meters for desk setups or 3 meters for flexible placement. Avoid passive adapters if your Surface needs an active signal conversion. First, power off the external display and connect the HDMI cable to the adapter. Insert the adapter into the Surface Pro port firmly and power on the display. On Surface, open Settings, then System, then Display to detect the monitor immediately. Choose Duplicate or Extend depending on your workflow needs. Select the display and set resolution and refresh rate. For example, 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz or 3840 x 2160 at 60 Hz were supported. Finally, adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.